Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, first of all, let's open up our Google Sheets application on our phone. And after we have our Google Sheets application opened, we can click on this plus button. And instead of clicking on new spreadsheet, we can click on choose template. Okay, and here we have a couple of templates that we can use, and since we want to create calendar, we can click on annual calendar template, and right after you click on it, the calendar will be automatically created on your spreadsheet. Okay, and this is the calendar, and we just need to modify it as we like. We can customize the color, the font, and it's up to you. You can customize it as you want. And here we also get the monthly calendar. You can click on the monthly calendar right here. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create calendar in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.